Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to do basic filtering of the data in Power BI. So let's go on the canvas of Power BI. First, we will create the table. So in the columns, let's pick up the subcategory and sales and profit. Now we want to do the filtering of this table on the basis of the region. So pick up the region and drop it into add data fields. So the basic filtering is on. Activate the focus mode. Now we want only the result of central region. Click on it. You can see the changes which are happening. Only east. So at present central and east both are active. If it is necessary that only single selection should be done, click on this. East, south, west, only single selection will be done. If you remove the stick, multiple selections can be done. And if you want to remove the filter, just click on select all. So this was all about basic filtering in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.